White Tigers.
Okay, so White Tigers. White Tigers, how do you think you have performed the task?
Very good.
Very good.
No, okay.
Okay, ma'am, first of all, I would like to commend you. I mean, talking about the positive points, you both guys did very good job. I mean, really good. I was really impressed, ma'am. But just to give you a personal comment, you were sounding a bit too rude. Okay, but that's okay with a shopkeeper because you needed to maintain your that standpoint. That's perfectly fine. Coming back onto the part of, I have asked you to bring a water bottle. Do you remember a water bottle without a cap? Can you please check whether the water bottle has a cap or not?
Cap.
Check the inner cap. Because the cap is with me. Show me the cap. सर जी पानी कैसे पियोगे? कैप तो इतने है. Right. Now the point is, you did not do your task completely in terms of foolproofing. You lack on the part of foolproofing. मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला था शॉपकीपर किसी भी ढंग से उल्लू बना सकता है. आपने पॉलिथीन चेक करी, आपने अंदर का कंटेंट चेक किया, but you did not check the internal part of the water bottle. So that's where you lagged out. Anyway, talking about your team name, what was the team name? The White Tigers. So of course that's a pretty good name and a fancy name. So I will give you 1 out of 1. Specification, you did brought, of course, all of the material according to my choice. So 10 out of 10 onto that part. Communication part, guys, specifically Sankit, you were talking, but that was not at all related to the part. Of course, I've got a video recording. Once I'll join all the clips, you can see it. That was not at all related. Actually, your captain was taking the lead, but आप थोड़ा सा पीछे की तरफ में थे. You also need to speak to support. मैंने आपके इसमें एक और चीज़ देखी, जो सबसे पहली वाली जो टीम थी संजना की, they did a very nice strategy. इन लोगों ने क्या किया था? इन लोगों ने अपनी टीम डिवाइड कर दी थी. आधा काम वाइस कैप्टन करेगा, आधा काम कैप्टन करेगा. आप दोनों ही लोग एक ही जगह पर आकर के स्टक अप हो गए. ओके, यू कुड हैव डिवाइडेड द टास्क. आपका टास्क शायद 3 मिनट में ही खत्म हो जाता. दैट्स वेयर यू फेल डाउन. एनीवे, communication, guys, I would only like to give you 20 out of 25. Okay, timing, of course, your timing, the timing was well in time.
Over.
No, we have checked the time.
They also did not complete their task in time because you crossed it out. आप लोगों के पास में, of course he said it, 5 minutes over. Guys, I'm talking with them. Okay, I even told you. यदि आप वीडियो क्लिपिंग देखोगे आपको उसको मालूम पड़ेगा. मैं खुद बोल रहा हूँ, अच्छा मैम जल्दी करिए. I've even given you a hint because this guy already told you. But you were so busy arguing with me on the part of bargaining that you actually missed it out. Never mind, it's okay. So 4 marks would be deducted. So 0 out of 4 for that one. Foolproofing, आपका कैप ही गायब था, तो पानी कैसे पियोगे बच्चा? Anyway, the other 2 parts are perfectly fine. So 1 out of 2 for that. Now coming back onto the part of how did you feel about this activity? पहले से अब जब आप कभी मार्केट जाओगे, तो संकेत आप में क्या चेंज आएगा इस एक्टिविटी के बाद? That's good. Fine, so you'll ask for discount, you'll ask for more negotiation part. Timing I've already given them 0 because they did not perform the task in time. Now, coming on to the part of a question to the captain of the White Tigers. Captain of the White Tigers, before you used to go to shopping and complete your shopping. Now if you will go, what change will happen now?
First I'll see the discount, then that foolproofing, then bargaining, like that.
That's good. So fine, that's a pretty good answer for your question. So I'll give you a 7 out of 8. So bacha, your totaling would come as 20 and then 30, 37 and then 38. Just a second, 20 and then 30, 31, 32, 37, so 39. 39 out of 50. आपके जो points गए हैं, वो आपके points गए हैं 5 marks in communication and timing में 0 marks and 1 mark in foolproofing and 1 marks in question and answer. Okay, never mind, but that was very good. Okay, let's see the last week कैसे करते हैं. Good job.